Okay, picture this. You step outside one night, look up at the sky, and the moon is just gone. Not hidden. Not a new moon. Just missing. No glow, no crescent, nothing. At first, you probably think, did I forget what phase we're in? Then you check your phone. Social media is exploding. News alerts everywhere. Yeah, the moon didn't set. It vanished. So, what actually happens next? Nights get way darker. First thing you'd notice, nighttime becomes insanely dark. We don't realize it, but the moon lights up our nights way more than stars do. Without it, the sky would be pitch black. Great for astronomers. Absolutely terrible if you're trying to walk home without tripping over everything. No more moonlit walks, no more glowing beaches. Just stars. And a whole lot of darkness. Animals would freak out too. A lot of species actually use moonlight to decide when to hunt, hide, or reproduce. Take that away, and suddenly nature's schedule is completely messed up. Some prey animals would actually benefit. It's easier to hide when there's no moonlight. Predators? Not so lucky. Hunting just got a lot harder. The night food chain flips upside down. The ocean goes weird. Now let's talk about the oceans, because this is where things get serious. The moon is the main reason we have tides. High tide, low tide, all of that? Mostly moon stuff. If the moon disappears, tides don't fully vanish, but they become way weaker. That might sound harmless, but it's actually disastrous. Entire ecosystems live in the tidal zone, that space between high and low tide. Starfish, crabs, shellfish, seaweed, all of it depends on water coming in and out regularly. Without strong tides, those habitats shrink or disappear. Some animals are hit especially hard. Certain fish lay their eggs during full moon tides. Sea turtles rely on tides to help their babies reach the ocean. Without the moon, their timing is completely off. A lot of baby animals just wouldn't survive. And humans wouldn't escape this either. Millions of people rely on coastal ecosystems for food and jobs. Fishing, shellfish farming, tourism, all of that takes a hit. Also, surfers? Yeah, surfing would kind of suck without strong tides. Climate starts. Here's something most people don't expect. The moon actually helps stabilize Earth's climate. Tides don't just move water. They help move heat around the planet. Warm water travels, cold water rises, weather patterns stay balanced. Without the moon, ocean circulation weakens. That means some places could get hotter, others colder, and weather becomes less predictable. Not instant chaos, but the planet slowly starts losing its balance. Earth starts to wobble now for the truly wild part. The moon acts like a stabilizer for Earth's tilt. That tilt is why we have seasons. No moon equals no stabilizer. Over thousands of years, Earth could start wobbling a lot more. Sometimes the planet might barely tilt at all, meaning no seasons. Other times, Earth could tilt way too much. Imagine one pole facing the sun non-stop for months, while the rest of the planet freezes in darkness. Extreme summers, brutal winters, climate chaos on a whole new level. This wouldn't happen overnight, but long-term, Earth becomes a much harsher place to live. Beyond science, losing the moon would hit us emotionally and culturally. No moon missions, no future moon bases, no easy stepping stone to Mars. We'd lose one of our biggest inspirations. The moon is everywhere. Stories, myths, calendars, songs, even how we measure time. Think about it. Once in a blue moon, moonlight, full moon. All of that suddenly feels empty. The first moonless night would honestly be terrifying. Humans have looked up at the moon for tens of thousands of years. Losing it would feel like something fundamental broke in the universe. So, would we survive? Yes, but barely comfortably. The moon disappearing wouldn't instantly end the world, but it would slowly make Earth darker, less stable, and harder to live on. Ecosystems would collapse. Climate would become unpredictable. Life would struggle to adapt. Which kind of makes you realize something. That big glowing rock in the sky isn't just decoration. It's been quietly keeping Earth livable this entire time. So next time you see the moon, maybe appreciate it a little more. Because a world without it Yeah, that would be a very different planet.